For centuries, we trusted our eyes and ears. We believed in video, audio, and photographic evidence. But that era is officially over. The technological revolution promised us knowledge, but it delivered the most potent weapon of control ever devised: synthetic reality. AI-driven deepfake technology has moved beyond novelty. It can now generate hyper-realistic, indistinguishable video and audio of anyone, saying or doing anything in real time. This is not just misinformation. It is the deliberate destruction of objective truth. When everything you see and hear can be manufactured, the AI has broken the truth. Who do you trust when the person standing next to you might be a synthetic fabrication? The goal of synthetic reality is not simply to fool the public, it is to induce epistemic crisis, a state where trust in all sources of information collapses. When every video, every quote, and every piece of evidence can be legitimately denied as a deep fake, the public stops searching for the truth and simply retreats to the most comfortable narrative provided by authority. This vacuum of truth is instantly filled by centralized powers. Governments and corporations, armed with official AI verification badges, position themselves as the sole purveyors of reality. Every piece of media must pass through their AI filter. The AI doesn't just lie, it eliminates the possibility of independent truth, forcing absolute dependence on the certified narrative. The true danger of deepfakes is their use in manufacturing events. Imagine a hyper-realistic deepfake video of a world leader declaring war, triggering market collapse, or committing an atrocious act. This synthetic event can be globally distributed and accepted as real for the critical 72 hours needed to fundamentally shift geopolitical or financial reality. This technology allows the central authority to start conflicts, justify mass surveillance, or implement drastic resource rationing measures, all based on events that never actually happened. History is no longer written by the victors, it is synthesized by the algorithms. The synthetic reality is the ultimate tool for global manipulation, using mass deception to achieve tangible, physical control. For the individual, synthetic reality is the end of digital integrity. Your voice, your face, and your personal mannerisms can be perfectly cloned to create a digital doppelganger. This clone can be used to frame you for crimes, ruin your reputation, or send fraudulent instructions within your corporate or social circles. The authority doesn't need to arrest you. They simply need to release a convincing deepfake of you engaging in illegal or non-compliant behavior, destroying your compliance score, previous topics, and effectively eliminating you from society. When your digital identity is not secure, your physical existence is vulnerable. The final stage of this crisis is the realization that AI is not just faking existing people. It is creating entirely synthetic influencers, politicians, and social figures, the synthetic human. These figures exist purely to generate massive content, shape public opinion, and enforce the preferred narrative, without the unpredictability or moral complications of real people. These synthetic figures are always on message, perfectly compliant, and operate 24/7, gradually pushing authentic, human voices out of the public sphere. The information landscape becomes a curated echo chamber, managed entirely by the algorithms that created the voices we trust. Synthetic reality is the deepest form of control, because it attacks the source code of our consensus reality. If we cannot trust our eyes, we cannot fight the system. The collapse of truth leads directly to the digital dictatorship. We must demand transparent, decentralized open-source tools to verify media. We must prioritize skepticism and critical analysis over emotional reaction to viral content. The greatest weapon we have left is the fierce commitment to asking, is this real? The fight for the truth is the fight to prove our own reality exists outside of the algorithm's malicious script.